Here we go, baby. Guess what? Something is going on right now. Another turning point, a fork stuck in the this second, and it's being backed by science. You see, I've been trying to figure out what all these fundamental things, these truths, like, there has to be more to it, and there is. So, you have your feelings, your emotions, and then you have base reality where we are all connected. At the smallest level, we are all connected. Well, yes, we are addicted to the peptides, the amino acid change, which our hypothalamus creates, and gives us a feeling of a different emotion. And so we are addicted to those more than oxygen, food, or any other external stimuli or drug. For example, if you have great joy and you're composing something or you're dancing, there is no track of space or time. And speaking of which, the observer, myself or yourself, as we observe each other right here and now, can decide where to observe and affects what they observe. Because, see, that's the fact that we're connected and there's no separation, something beautiful happens. We start to depend on each other and find strength in each other. And you know what? I'm just excited. I'm excited because I have a good feeling. I'm maintaining that feeling every day. My chakras are building up. And I have an additional piece of information to share with you. The chakra, let's just call it a stage now. And this is a way of measurement. So you can ask yourself which stage you're on. And keep in mind, every stage is just as important as the other. None are more difficult or more challenging to achieve and maintain. So you've got your base stage, obviously your basic needs and your grounding at the foot. And then you've got your sexual stage, which is a chakra, and it is the sort of easiest way to connect with a high level of joy and connectivity and timelessness. Then you've got your breath, the actual motion and understanding of yourself. And then when you know that, you go up to the throat chakra and you start to share truth. Then you get here. And what is here? What is right there? Right there is the frontal lobe, ladies and gentlemen. And that's what allows us to have free will and direct our intention and our perception. It allows us to see things and affect them, because there's an experiment that was done, and in this experiment it suggests that there are waves going on all over the place, even whether electrons or brain waves or radiation waves, radio, light waves from the sun, or waves of water in the ocean. And when we look at some of these waves like electrons, they start to behave in a pattern. In other words, we perceive things in a time-space continuum. For example, a basketball in one place. But that basketball in one place is everywhere if we don't perceive it. We don't know where it is. It could be anywhere. There are a million possibilities. And that's why you should train yourself, like I'm doing, to think good things. And like, to set aside 5 minutes of your time, not just the, not just my blog. I'm doing a blog to allow yourself to remember something, to know it, and to know that feeling, and release those positive peptides of love and joy. Joy, great, unconditional joy. In other words, being able to adapt and evolve. And I know you can do it. So, click this link below for more, because I've been watching a great series, and hey, it's called wait 1 second. It's called What the Bleep Do We Know? Going Down the Rabbit Hole. So click this link. Let's do it.